What's up, world? Welcome back to Radical Investors, where we talk about stocks, crypto, NFTs, and all the ways how to make the money. I'm Wasu, and I'm talking again about Terra Luna Classic and how we're going to get to that $1 mark. If you're interested in that, if you're interested in big gains, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button. Guys, we're bringing you the news because it's coming so fast. So let's get right into the video. I wanted to start today by talking about the price action. So we've seen Terra Luna. It was down a little bit after the launch of Terra Luna 2.0, but you see today that it has come back dramatically, guys. It has come back all the way with the 60% over 24 hours. Terra Luna is doing fantastic. And not only Terra Luna, we're seeing an interesting bounce from Terra Luna 2.0. The community has been really split on this, right? We don't necessarily know which one to support. Terra Luna came out of the blocks and kind of stumbled, you guys. It went all the way down to $4, but now they're sitting at about almost $9. So it's a nice 50% increase on the 24-hour chart. If you guys are day traders, we're not day traders, we're more long-term investors, but if you are day traders out there, it is probably hunting season for you guys. These assets, both Terra Luna Classic and Terra Luna 2.0, are incredibly volatile, right? Incredibly volatile. They are going to both the extremes, crashing and rising like the phoenix, it seems like every single day. So if you're a day trader or you're getting into day trading, this might be a great opportunity for you because there is a lot of money to be made playing these coins. Again, not financial advice. Make sure you know what you're doing, but something to look into. Okay, mainstream news. Mainstream news. So again, this is the week of May 30th, and Luna is still the topic of conversation on the mainstream news. Here you have it, CNBC. You don't get any more mainstream news or corporate than CNBC, and you see the big headline: Luna cryptocurrency has been resurrected after its $40 billion collapse, and it's already crashing. Guys, the mainstream wants to see the lunatic community fail. That is clear. There's a lot of FUD going out there, and you have to remember the genesis of Terra's ecosystem falling, right, was an outside attack, probably from a hedge fund, probably from somebody from traditional finance. So you're going to continue to see a lot of headlines like this that is designed to induce fear into the markets. Is Terra Luna a very, very big gamble? Absolutely. Is it a risky asset to be putting money into? 100%. But the fact that you get mainstream media continuing to bash a coin and continuing to push a specific storyline is a very interesting thing to watch. Now, to get into what I wanted to talk about today is the march to $1. The march to $1. How are we going to get there, right? Right now, our circulating supply is just way too high to get there. So we need to do, as lunatics, as people in the Terra Luna community, the Terra Luna Classic community, we have to do two things. We have to show and we have to grow. Those are the two things I want you guys to remember: show and grow. So what are we going to show? We have to show the market that we have burn mechanisms. That is the most important thing that we can do right now. We have to burn, baby, burn. We have to show people that we have burn mechanisms. Now, right now, because of the Terra Luna situation, we know that we pumped a whole bunch of supply out there, right? So the circulating supply went crazy during the time when they were trying to defend the peg. So we have to burn, and I love what this exchange, Bex, is doing with the recovery plan. As we covered a couple of days ago, this centralized exchange, very popular exchange, has come up with a recovery plan to buy back and burn. And that's showing this is the first centralized exchange to do this, right? And what we're hoping is that we can get more centralized exchanges to adopt this buyback and burn mechanism. with the combination of the community doing community burns, that is showing the markets that the circulating supply is going to come down. Very similar to what happens on the Shiba Inu side of things. That's why I think Luna Classic reminds me so much of the early days of Shiba Inu, when people thought we were crazy for investing in Shiba Inu. People thought it was absolutely borderline retarded for investing in Shiba Inu, but a lot of the same community functions and the community foundations I think I'm seeing in the Terra Luna Classic community. So the number one thing that we have to do is we have to burn, and we have to show the general market that we are gonna burn. The number two thing, we have to grow. And how do we grow? Getting back on exchanges, being vocal as lunatics, going out in other communities and being acolytes for Terra Luna Classic. And I thought this was absolutely huge that crypto.com, one of the easiest ways to on-ramp money into crypto, right? It's so easy. It's on your phone. You attach a credit card and you can buy crypto literally within seconds. And they have relisted Terra Luna. They have relisted Terra Luna, you guys. And I thought that was so cool, because that's a way that a lot of people buy Terra Luna Classic, right? During the migration, they shut Terra Luna Classic down, right? You could not buy it on crypto.com. You couldn't even buy Luna or Luna 2.0 on crypto.com. But if you go on crypto.com right now, the app Luna 2.0 is not available, but Luna Classic is. They obviously saw the fantastic price action, and crypto.com's a business, so they probably want a piece of that action. They know that us lunatics are out there. We're passionate about Terra Luna Classic, and that we're pouring money into this project, and because we want to see it survive. So guys, that is the general plan to get to $1. Show and grow and burn, and continuing to be out there as evangelists, and continue to be out there talking about Terra Luna Classic and how we're gonna take this to the moon. More and more people are joining this community, guys. It's a very, very, very fun time to be involved with Terra Luna Classic, because even though it's a volatile asset, even though price is going up and down and up and down, the amount of friends that I'm gaining during this moment is ridiculous. I mean, we're getting so much, we're meeting so many amazing people in the Terra Luna Classic community, and Terra Luna as well. There's that recovery plan, and we're coming out with the video Terra Luna versus Terra Luna Classic, and we're seeing which one we should support. But as of right now, we're playing in both of those spaces. Guys, it's a very interesting time, and remember, when other people are scared, you should be greedy. This is our time that we've waited for. Moments like this are moments that can literally define your life. This season, this bear season, where a lot of people are exiting the crypto space, continue to be greedy, continue to grow your knowledge, continue to grow your bags, and in the bull season, we will be rewarded. I have 100% conviction in that. Remember, guys, hit that like and subscribe button. We're bringing you so many videos this week. As always, happy hunting. I'll catch you on the next one. Peace.